Hi, everybody. It is Kathy, and I love to be selling. I've got some super tips for you to pull ahead in the fast lane in eBay selling right now. And I've got a great tip for eBay store owners, and I've also got super tips for people that don't have stores. So come on in. Let me know that you can hear me. And when you do listen on replay, if you could just post hashtag replay, that way I know that you're listening, you're hearing me. But come in. So first I want to date this. This is December 6, 2021. For those of you that have eBay stores, I want to bring this to your attention. In the past, eBay has said, oh, we don't roll anything out. We don't change anything in the fourth quarter. Ha ha ha. Right, we're all laughing. And excuse me, not fourth quarter, in the last 2 months of fourth quarter, so that they say they don't change anything November and December. And certainly that has changed. Hi, Sharon. How are you? Good to see you. So if you haven't noticed, there's a lot of things rolling out in eBay stores. You've got marketing banners. You've got all kinds of things going on. And in case you haven't noticed this, is in the About section. Now, we used to have a section called Store Description. It is now the About section. It is very, very good. You can describe who you are. You can include a lot of keywords, talk about the products that you sell. I really encourage you to use the section. And when you're in Seller Hub, when you look at the tabs across the top, you'll see that you now have a tab for Store. Click it, and then you're going to edit Store, and you'll see about being able to add or edit your About section. And if you haven't edited your store description for a while, which has now been translated to your About section, go and look at it and make sure that the keywords are still pertinent, because it is an area that eBay uses to know who you are, and it can help you in your items, your listings with eBay search, because eBay knows you're a clothing seller or a sporting goods seller, or you sell puzzles and games. But this is one that I just caught, and I actually just took advantage of it myself. And you can only do it on desktop. So for my sellers that use mobile, you're going to have to hop over onto desktop to do this. I did message the team and I said, is there any way to do this on mobile? And they said, not right now. So you're going to be in your store on desktop, edit store, look at the About section. You can now upload a very short video. So a minute or less right now. And again, this is December of 2021. So this is perfect. Newly arriving. You've got a sale. You just want a nice flavor of your store, but it's a 1-minute video, and I do not see a lot of sellers using it. So anytime something is new on eBay, something new that rolls out, it really pays to jump in and do it, because it helps you, because you're using it. You're using the banner, you're using the video, what other sellers aren't. And this is a tip for you if you do Facebook stories or Instagram stories, because they tend to be very short videos, okay? Because it needs to be a minute or less. So what I found was that some of the videos that I had created for Instagram stories and Facebook stories, which typically is you take an image, and then either Facebook or Instagram is offering you gifts and stickers and various things that you can put on it. They're about 5 or 6 seconds when you're done with them. Well, that's perfect, right? So here you have this fun story that's about the holidays, or you could do it for newly arriving items if you've been using it for your Instagram, for your business account on Instagram. So if you have a cute Instagram story, and I encourage you to save them, and the same thing for your Facebook stories, because now you can upload them for your eBay store. In the About section, you can add the video. So that's my hot tip for you. You've got them, and I always save mine, is use them. I just put one up about holiday decorating, right? Because people like to get in the mood. But thank you, eBay. And my assumption is we're going to have more and more video capability. So jump in, start using it so that you get adept at using it for when it rolls out more. So do it. Particularly good for a sale, because you could hold up items or do a little short video of items that you're running on sale. It can be a great way to grab some attention. What I wanted to talk about is right now is like full tilt shopping going on eBay. And because it's full tilt shopping, we're moving very, very quickly. And most sellers that I work with are solopreneurs. It's just them and maybe their spouse or their partner. They might have one helper, but basically it's us. So when there's a big uptick in sales, there also is a big uptick in shipping. Yay. We actually made 4 trips to the post office today because we really try during this holiday period to get things out as quickly as possible, just in case there's any kind of mail slowdown, that we're doing our very best to process our packages. What I'm saying is, so while we're shipping more and yay, and while we're selling more, is just slow down a little bit. And this can be hard because we're getting everything done. Double check everything. I did this today. Make sure you're shipping the large red shirt, particularly if you have things that are similar. Like for me with my clothing, I have it in a closet. I rack it by size and I also rack it by color. So all my large reds are together. All my large blues are together. So as you're packing, double check, okay? Look at it. Do you see any flaws? Do you see any stains that you did not call out in the listing? It is far better to grab and notice those things before you ship and message your buyer and let them know what's going on. Double check. It's a large, not a medium. I actually just spot checked something because I was looking at it and I go, this looks a little small for a large, and double check the measurements, and my measurements were fine. I was like, yay. But just double check things as you're packing them that it's correct, right? Check they bought the large, you're shipping the large, okay? So double check everything. And the other thing is so far everything's been fine. Yay USPS and yay UPS and yay FedEx, but it doesn't hurt to every couple of days just go through and scan. How's the arrival going, right? Are things getting delivered more or less on time? Just go through and scan, because it is far better for you to reach out and say, hey, I noticed your package is just running a little bit late. Just want to let you know that I'm right on top of it. Whether you're a newer seller, intermediate, or advanced, right now, customer communication is key. I actually had a customer message me today saying, is that really new? They had just bought a brand new mug for me. I mean, the thing actually has the barcode on it. I was tempted to go, and it was listed as new, and it's new in box, and you want to go, it is new. It has the barcode. It's in the box, but you know what? They're buying, and they even said, I'm buying it as a gift. They're buying it as a gift. They're double checking. They're not trying to be annoying. Even though part of me is like going, oh, please, do you not think I know how to write a listing? It's like, look at my feedback. They're double checking. It's the holidays. Because if they get it and it's not new, they don't have a lot of time to then go and replace it with another item, okay? So even though they're asking, is it really red? Is it really new? Are you shipping today? Even though it says in the listing 1 business day, okay? Answer them. Polite, professional. I said to them, yes, it's new. And then I sign my name so that way they know it's a nice person. So answer them. Be polite. Sometimes I'll see in forums people actually bragging about being rude to customers. Yes, sometimes shoppers do get a little abrasive. Come on, this is the holidays. People get stressed, but I can be as polite as I can be as professional, be kind. Yes, I'm repeating what's exactly in the listing, but you know what? They want the reassurance. Maybe they had a bad shopping experience on eBay or another site. Let me turn that around for them. Let me be the nice, kind person with the nice, kind comment. I do put little thank you cards. In fact, I've got a bunch of them this year. I do put little happy holidays, thank you cards, and I sign it with my name. If you're in a big rush and like doing a thank you card is too much and you don't want to do packing slips, I get it. I do it. I like it. To me, it helps me sort of feel more holiday. So I have little holiday cards and I sign it. Thank you, Kathy. I've got cute little stickers too, by the way. I've got Santa stickers. I'm going, if somebody gets offended by Santa stickers, I don't know what to do. I have cute little Santa stickers. I figure that's nice, generic holiday. It helps me. I feel more festive. I like putting it on. I figure it makes maybe for the mail handlers, they get to feel a little more festive. I actually got feedback on eBay saying, Thank you for the festive touch to your packaging. So again, when it's appropriate, I mean, if you do certain things, I'm thinking like auto parts. I don't know if you need to put Santa stickers when you're, shipping carburetors, but somebody might appreciate a Santa sticker on the carburetor, but I do it. And then I actually do stuff in January too. I have little snowflake stickers. You have to excuse my phone ringing. I have a delivery coming in. But again, even if they are asking you a question that is in the listing and you're tempted to go, hello, it's in the listing. Yes, it's new. Yes, it's red. Yes, it's green. Yes, I'm shipping today. And eBay store owners do take a look at the video, because anytime that eBay rolls out something new, it always pays to be an early adopter. Always. Now, again, if you're somebody like Kathy, I don't even have a clue how to put together a 3 or 4 second video. That's fine. But you can go on sites. There's sites like FreeUp and Fiverr, Upwork. You can hire people for very little money to create really cute little fun videos for you. So you might do that. But otherwise, truly, just take a look at if you're doing Facebook stories, Instagram stories, repurposing them and just uploading them, because they're super fun. I have great tips for you to keep your holiday sales strong. All this week and a good part of next week is going to be huge, huge, huge for selling. So hop over to my website, ilovetobeselling.com. And what you're going to be looking for are the tips that I have up for you on my website. It's completely free. It's oodles of pages, top eBay holiday sales and social media tips, and grab it, because it will just get your creative juices flowing, maybe a little extra something. Are your sales a little sluggish? They'll help you pick it up. If your sales are good, yay, but let's keep them strong. No drooping, okay? So grab my top eBay holiday sales and social media tips. Keep your sales strong. Again, yes, it's green. Yes, I'm shipping today, because it matters. It reassures them. Then they're happy, right? But enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. And I'm so glad so many sellers are doing so well this holiday season. I'm Kathy, and I love to be selling. Bye-bye, everybody.